Gold traders, welcome to Gold Window. Today is Wednesday, June 10, 2026, and this is a high-volatility XAUUSD news day. We are not trying to predict the first candle. We are waiting for liquidity, displacement, market structure shift, and a clean retracement before taking risk. Today is a high-volatility gold news day because the calendar has 4 red folder USD events. That means gold can expand fast and sweep both sides. The professional approach is simple. Do not guess the data. Let the news print, let liquidity get taken, and wait for a real structure shift before considering a trade. The best practical window is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time. This does not mean buy or sell automatically at 9. It means the major CPI danger has already printed, and now we wait for gold to show a clean post-news setup. No confirmation, no trade. The main danger window is 8 to 9 a.m. New York time. Core CPI and CPI are high-impact events. Inflation can reprice the Federal Reserve path, Treasury yields, the US dollar, and gold volatility. This is exactly why the release candle is not a place to gamble. The danger window is 8 to 9 a.m. New York time. Gold can spike in both directions, widen the spread, and fill late entries at bad prices. The first spike is often liquidity, not direction. Wait for the market to reveal which side was raided, then demand clean displacement and structure. Today matters because CPI changes how traders price the Federal Reserve path. Hot inflation can support yields in the dollar, pressuring gold. Softer inflation can weaken yields in the dollar, supporting gold. The mission is not to predict the number. The mission is to trade only after price gives a clean reason. The timing map is simple. 7:30 to 8 is preparation. 8 to 9 is no new trades because CPI risk is active. 9 to 11 is the best practical window, but only after confirmation. After 11:30, reduce or stop because quality normally drops. The practical recommendation is to pause during every listed danger window. The best window is 9 to 11 a.m. New York, but only if gold gives a clean ICT-style setup. No setup means no trade. That is not missed opportunity. That is professional selectivity. Before the news, prepare levels, not predictions. During the news, do not enter the candle. After the news, wait for spread to normalize and demand sweep, displacement, market structure shift, and a clean retracement. That is the gold window process. Your rules are your edge. No sweep, no trade. No displacement, no trade. No MSS, no trade. No clean FVG retracement, no trade. If price is sitting in the middle of the range, no trade. One clean trade is enough. Final instruction: use reduced risk around USD news, respect every danger window, and let price reveal direction. The clean trade is the one that forms after liquidity is taken, structure shifts, and risk to reward is worth the stop. Subscribe for tomorrow's gold window before the New York session. Disclaimer: this content is educational only and is not financial advice or a signal service. Trading gold, forex, CFD, futures, and leveraged products carries substantial risk. Always do your own analysis, manage your risk, and never trade money you cannot afford to lose. If this gold window helped you prepare for XAUUSD, subscribe, like, and comment. Watch the next gold plan before tomorrow's New York session. Trade safer, wait for liquidity, and protect your capital.